One word for today is liliu, which means flip. The Samoan word for today is
Faitatoa.
faitatoa, which means door.
Chicken sandwich.
Door. We're taking out this whole doorway. What is it again?
Faitatoa.
Faitatoa. Door. The Samoan word of the day is latalata, which means to be near, like okilakalaka ilikalifongi, meaning I'm near the phone. And mamau, which means to be far from, like o mamau mailikalfongi, meaning I'm far from the phone. And that's your Samoan word of the day. The Samoan word of the day is, well, it's a few words. It's tae, ngau, malepe, nuti, right? So, and those all mean broken in some way, like this. Ran over it with a big old machine. So, like, malepe le sima, meaning like the cement is broken, right? Or, and that's broken, right? Or, like it doesn't work anymore. Or malepe, or like ngau le sima. That also, I mean, I guess could kind of work because it's broken. Like you break your leg, right? Or ngau lo vai. Or even tae, meaning like cracked. So there's cracked. Or kae le sima. Sima's cracked. Or even nuti. Or nuti po nguki le sima. Meaning like it's broken, like crumbled into pieces. So, and those are your Samoan words of the day. It's cold. The Samoan word for today is isumu, which means mouse. But this is not a mouse, that's a rat. Oy, oy. Oh gosh, I don't know if you can see that, but look at that tail. Ugh. The Samoan word for today is falemai, which means
hospital.
Yeah. Samoan word for today is nonoa or longoa, which means to tie this wire or nonoa the wire. So if you want to tie up your Samoan language skills, then check out the digital downloads and the Western Samoan store. Or sign up for the one-on-one list. The Samoan word for today is
Maha.
ma'a.
Ma'a.
Ma'a, which means stone. That's a big stone. Oh my gosh. This whole thing, that's a stone. So if you want your Samoan language to be as solid as stone, then check out the Midwestern Samoan store for the digital downloads and also for the class. Join the class. The Samoan word for today is whaataitai or whaakaikai, which means to practice. The Samoan word for today is tanga or kanga, which means like, well, you can't see them, but they're over there. Sack. How to mix sacks or bags of concrete. Not to be mistaken for like bag, like a purse, like ako or ato. So, anyways, sucks. So, tanga or kanga sima, bags of concrete. So, gotta pour that they messed up. The Samoan phrase of the day is Tatala To'a or Kakala Ko'a, which means open the door, and Tapuni To'a, which means, or Kapungi Ko'a, which means close the door. And that's your Psalm 1 phrase of the day. The Psalm 1 word of the day is
Samala.
Samala. It means hammer.
Oh, my hammer. We need a bigger hammer.
And there we
need
go.
a bigger Samala.
There we go. Jackhammer. That's the Psalm 1 word of the day. The Psalm 1 word of the day is
Alolompapa,
which means
bridge,
bridge.
which we are working under.
That's right. Ala la papa.
And
Hey, little-
do not burn your Alolompapa.
That's right. Don't burn bridges.
They
So,
come back
it-
and punch you in the head.
That's right. It literally means wooden way, right? So, or wooden plank way. So, ala la papa. That's your Psalm 1 word of the day. Psalm 1 word for today is nalo, which means to forget. I forgot my muck boots. And this is what happens. So, gonna have to get a second pair. So if you don't have a second pair, get one for home and one for work. Nalo, awe nalo. Don't forget. Psalm 1 word for break or crumble to pieces. The Psalm 1 word of the day is Whaingata or Whaingaka, which means difficult, like meaning like it's difficult to work in this heat.